I did my PhD at Monash University, and I worked with Doug Lampard, who had a very strong interest in biomedical engineering. And so I did my PhD on hearing. But interestingly, I didn't go out into the industry with that. I worked in the railway signalling industry for about 6 years. And it wasn't until I saw an advertisement about Graeme Clark's project that I got back into hearing. Graeme's greatest strength was his multidisciplinary approach. So we had people from a lot of different disciplines, and Graeme managed to get those people to work together, and that was the really important part. I was mainly responsible for the part of the bionic ear that is out of the body, not the implanted part. And I was responsible basically for squeezing something that was about the size of a TV set down into a box like this. This is a speech processor, and it's the part of the cochlear implant system that's worn by the patient on the outside of the body. The challenge to get it to this size was to choose the right architecture for the device. So it's no good just trying to miniaturize a very complicated thing. You have to work out how you can do it with the minimum number of components, and that's basically what we did here. And the patient wore this coil on the head like that. And that coil communicated with a similar coil inside the head. I always consider this to be an interim approach, and I would say my proudest achievement was to get from this to this, and that took about 10 years. So where all the electronics was in one little package behind the ear, so this is it, and it just went behind the ear like that. I was unbelievably lucky to be part of this team, because the beauty of it was you could see how it was benefiting so many people, and especially children. Was wonderful. So the big difference is that now, instead of working on one project, we work on many projects, and we're moving really from a bionic ear to a bionic era. I'm now working on the bionic eye project. What I'm doing here is tinkering with an idea that would enable the bionic eye hardware to know which direction the eye is pointing. They say that if you have a job you enjoy, you never work another day in your life. So after 45 years, I'm still having fun.